Holds the vehicle's spotlight in its proper position. Crafted from durable steel material. Custom designed to fit your vehicle. Easy to install, no drilling is required. Rampage Black Windshield Hinge Light Bracket is designed to hold your 1976 to 1995 Jeep CJ Wrangler YJ's spotlight in its proper position. It is crafted from durable steel material. This windshield hinge light bracket is easy to mount onto the existing factory holes and does not require drilling during installation. It is custom designed to fit your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit and easy to install. Was a little worried since these weren't Kentrol, but these are tough and fit perfect. Made relocation of KCs to windshield easy and fast.